Oh, 2 questions missed? Okay. Okay, we'll do it in a second. Hunter Allen.
I'm almost done this.
Alright, stop. Marlene's don't remember, stop.
Collaborate and listen.
Okay, Hunter Allen, what's your score?
I'm almost done.
You have it? Steven.
2.
Patricia. Alright, Alexis. Hold on a second, guys. Alright. Do you guys have it all keyed in? Everyone has it keyed in? Hunter, you have problems?
I got 100.
You got 100? Okay. It's going to send your score back to you. I found an option where it can send your score back to you. Alexis? Voice? Okay. Seth?
0.
Late? Or got a 0? Okay. Michael?
Late.
You fall home, sweetie? George?
2.
Oh, you were absent?
Yeah.
Well, it's not late then. Any problems with this first hour? Because you didn't know what you missed. So, what we did, because we're having some problem with that, I just went back to here and looked at here. Okay, guys? Because you can get your percentage, but then we're not sure what you missed on there. So everybody's keyed it in. So, look at your paper and look, 19 was H equals 6, 20 was G equals 3, 21 was N equals 2, 22 is B equals 4. Quickly see what you missed. Because another problem we had first hour was they didn't really miss number 20, they keyed it in the clicker incorrectly. So we're still just working out the kinks, and I'll get it all figured out, okay? Just have to have patience with me. Okay, so see which one you missed, and who wants to raise your hand and tell me, well, wait a second. Who missed number 22?
No, thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, who missed 21? Okay, 20. All right, 19. All right, 20 or 22? Which one do you want to solve first? 22? Okay, let's do 22 first. All right. Was 22, what color pen, Marlene? What color? Purple. Purple? Okay. All right. I think 22 was 4 divided by 13. Edgar, do you not have a pen? You don't have a marker? Right over there, sweetie, by the telephone. Okay, Susan, it's okay. Edgar can get it. What's it down, sweetie? Okay. 4 divided by 13 equals negative, was it 2b? That's a b, not a 6. Negative 2b. I'm still having trouble writing on this. Okay, and then divided by 13. What was it? Plus
6B.
6. That's a 6. That's a b. We had some problems first hour.
Why aren't you making a capital?
Divided by 26. I know. Maybe I should make a capital. Okay. When you get the answer, go ahead and key it into your remote.
They're not coming.
What's wrong, Jesus and Edgar? All right. Thank you for helping him. Jesus, what's the common denominator? There's a 26 on the end. Okay. I appreciate you guys trying to help each other. Guys, if you can't get the common denominator and get those fractions out of there, you're not going to get to the problem. Okay, raise your hand if you're still struggling. Okay, it's okay. Who can tell me what our first step is? So everybody, let's put our markers down real quick. Okay, stop.
Collaborate and listen.
Okay, who can tell me what we're going to do first? What are we going to do, Arizona? Find the common denominator between 13 and 26. What do you think it is, Arizona? You think it's what? You think the common denominator is 13? Why do you think that?
Because you can divide 26 by 2 and get 13, and then all of them are 13.
Okay, do you guys agree with Arizona?
Yes.
You think it's 13 as well?
No.
Okay, who thinks it's 13? All right, Marlene, why?
The same way as Arizona said it, but it could also be 26 because you could times 13 to 26.
How can the common denominator be 13 and 26?
Because
How can we have 2?
Because 13 goes into 26 two times. It goes equally.
Okay, who remembers how we find a common denominator? Who remembers how we find the common denominator? Coop?
My common denominator is
Put the marker down, please, Manny.
13. Well, you can either divide and since it goes in equally by like 13 divided by 26. If we get like a decimal, then it does not go in equally.
So you said 13 divided by 26, you'd end up with a decimal. And it doesn't go in equally?
No, look at it. Sorry. 13 times 2.
Mm-hmm.
13 times 2 will get you 26.
Right.
And then if you divide 26 by 2, you get 13.
Right, but how do we find the common denominator? Like, half us think 13 is the common denominator, and half us think 26 is the common denominator. We gotta figure out who's right.
Both.
Can they both be a common denominator?
No. No.
I keep hearing no. Why not, Michaela? Some of us just know, but we don't know why. Why not, Michaela?
Because it's the least common denominator, and you have to multiply to get the least common denominator
What do you mean?
instead of divide. Because if 13 is the common denominator, then you have to divide 26.
Right. Can we do that? Can we have 26 as a bigger number and choose 13 for the common denominator? Why not, Jesus?
26 has to be the denominator
Why?
because it's the bigger number, and if you divide 13 divided by 26, it's not gonna work. You're gonna get decimal.
Right. What do you think? You're saying wait. What are you thinking now?
Could you divide 26 and make it 13, and then since you divided the denominator, you divide the numerator, so it'd be 3 over 13.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You got the same answer?
Yeah.
Well, say that louder. Can you hear her? What'd you do? Say that again. Tell the class.
Divide 26 and 6 by 2, so you get 3 over 13. 3b over 13.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
What was your answer? All right. Well, I look at this and think 26 is the common denominator. Because yesterday you guys were telling me we had 6 and 3 and 2, and you were telling me 2 was the common denominator. Did 6 go into 2?
No.
So in this situation, was that you?
Yeah.
Yesterday?
Arguing with you?
You were arguing about it? You were
Yeah.
discussing it, weren't you? And you were telling me that between 2 and 6 and 3, 2 was the common denominator.
Yeah.
But 3
Oh.
can go into 2.
But 3 couldn't go into 2, I know. But doesn't the common denominator have to have a number going into it? Like 13 can go into 26, but 26 can't go into 13. So in this situation, what's the common denominator?
26.
What is it?
26.
It's 26. Okay, so let's look at it. What's our next step, Sadie? What are we going to do with the 26?
Multiply it by 4 over 13.
I'm going to multiply, oh, sorry guys. I'm going to multiply it by 4 divided by 13. Okay, we're going to get to that step you said, Michaela, in just a minute, and what Arizona did also. We're going to get to it in a second, what you said. So, and then we're going to take these and multiply them by
26.
26. Wait, Jesus, is something wrong?
I'm confused.
Okay, what are you confused about? Tell us.
Why did you put just another parenthesis on the other side of
26 and 13?
Yeah, in between those.
Oh, that's the next step.
Wait, what?
Let's
What
look.
is? You're confusing me now.
We're saying you're going to multiply this whole thing by 26, you're gonna multiply this by 26. But step 2 on our multi-step equations is what, guys?
Bring it down.
What was step 2? Some kind of a property we
Inverse
follow.
operation?
Yeah, that
Inverse
way.
operation.
Jesus and Kim, I need you paying attention. Can you put those markers down, please? Cooper,
What is the inverse operation?
we didn't do the inverse operation. We did what property?
Distribution.
Distributive property. Jesus is saying, why didn't I put a parenthesis around the negative 2b over 13?
Yeah.
Because I haven't got there yet.
But wouldn't you do that first?
You could pull those. I'm going to pull them apart right now, sweetie. Do you want me to show you?
Yeah, sure.
So I'm going to pull this one down. What was it?
That was
4, 13. Okay, we're going to pull it apart for the distributive property, right? Divided by, or multiplied by 26. Negative 2b over 13. And this is what you're saying, right?
yeah.
Because this is what we
Yeah.
did on the homework yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I just hadn't got there. I was trying. You're what? Good thinkers are always one step ahead of me. I'm telling you, good thinkers are always one step ahead of me. All right, like that. Does that look better to you?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So I just hadn't got there. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. What am I gonna do next?
Divide.
Alze?
You're gonna divide.
Okay. What am I gonna divide?
26 can go into.
I'm cross canceling, right?
Yeah,
13 divided by what?
26.
No, 13 divided by.
13.
Wait. 13 divided by what, Alze?
13.
13 divided by 13 is?
1,
And 26 divided by 13,
2,
2. Okay, so now what do I do? 2
2
times 4, because I gotta get rid of these fractions. Okay? It's 2 times 4, 8, I should ask that. Okay, now what? Who knows what we do next? Steven? What do we do now? Hunter, can you put the marker down? I know, are you guys doing it along with me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
26,
Hun-
cross amplifies 13 and 26.
Okay, what are you gonna do?
13 is 1.
Alright?
26 divided by 13 is 2.
Alright, and then what am I gonna do?
Multiply 2 by negative 2.
2 by 2 or 2 by negative 2?
2 by negative
And what do you get?
2. Or negative 4.
Negative 4 what?
8.
Alright. I'm still getting better. I gotta get better at writing on this. Okay, good job, Steven. Who wants to do the last one? Okay, Sue's number 1. This one's easy.
Yeah, no.
They're all easy. Go ahead.